Level chemists, I have a multiple choice question for you. So I'm going to get out of the way. I want you to figure out what your answer is, lock it in, right, to the comments before I give you the answer, and then come back to see if you are correct. All right, I'm going to get out of the way, I promise. Okay, make sure your answer's locked in or it didn't happen. All right, so the correct answer is, drum roll please, it is of course, it is C. But why? But why? Make sure, I'll tell you in the next video. I'm joking. I'll tell you right now. I promise. So the first thing that we should spot is the ending, right? That's going to allow us to get rid of a couple. This is an amide because we've got the C double bond O directly connected to the N, which means it is not an amine. And it's not just pentamide, because if you're following me, or if you just saw my last video when we named another amide, you know that we need an or an ene between the number and the ending so that we can say whether we've got just carbon-carbon single bonds or any carbon-carbon double bonds. So it can't be pentamide, it's going to be pentanamide. So now it's a case of numbering. Is this 3,4-dimethyl pentanamide or 2,3-dimethyl pentanamide? Well, I've already told you it's 2,3, but how do we know? We must start counting from the amide carbon. By definition, this carbon is carbon number 1. So if that's carbon number 1, then this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So this is, of course, our methyl groups are on carbon 2 and carbon number 3, 2,3-dimethyl pentanamide. Did you get it? Did you get it? Let me know if you were correct. If you weren't, then make sure that you're following me, okay? So that as I put out more videos explaining A-level concepts across the board with some more naming practice in there as well, you get to see those videos. Let me know in the comments if there are any other functional groups that you would like to practice naming or any other concepts, any other topics across your A-level chemistry that you want some more support with on. You know what I'm trying to say. Make sure you're following. Did I say that already?